Hey guys, okay, so the phone is finally here, safe and sound, in this gorgeous aquamarine color. We'll take a closer look at that in just a bit. But first, let's quickly go through the box contents. Inside the box we get a basic protective case, some reading materials, a 44-watt fast charger, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and tucked underneath is the SIM ejector tool. Now let's unwrap the phone itself, and honestly, Vivo's unwrapping style, especially for iQOO phones, feels kind of premium and refreshing. It's got a vibe. Okay, a little tricky to pull off perfectly, but you get the idea. This is how you first see the iQOO Z10R. And just like iQOO claims, it does look like a sleek and stylish overall package. Let's boot it up and set things up in the background while we talk about the design. So, first impressions, sleek is the word. The iQOO Z10R comes with just 7.39mm thickness and weighs only 183.5 grams. Super lightweight, super easy to handle. The back finish is matte, which I love. No fingerprints, no smudges. This one is the aquamarine variant, but it also comes in another color called moonstone. Design-wise, the frame is curved for better grip, and on the right side, you've got the power button and volume rockers. On the top, secondary microphone. On the left, completely clean. At the bottom, dual SIM tray, primary microphone, USB-C port, and the speaker grill. And yes, you get stereo speakers, which is always a big win in this price range. On the back, there's minimal branding and a dual camera setup, which we'll dive into shortly. Overall, sleek, light, and very well put together. One of the main experience boosters for this phone is the display. We're looking at a 6.77-inch quad-curved AMOLED panel with up to 1800 nits of peak brightness. It supports HDR for OTT platforms like Netflix and comes with 2160Hz PWM dimming, so it's easy on the eyes too. For this price segment, the display experience is seriously impressive. Performance, MediaTek Dimensity 7400. Now, performance, this is an iQOO phone, so of course we expect it to deliver, and this one doesn't disappoint. The Z10R is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset. Whether you're using it daily or gaming occasionally, it handles everything smoothly. It scores around 700,000 plus on Antutu, which is solid for this segment. You can get it with 8GB or 12GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB or 256GB UFS 2.2 storage. Plus, there's a large vapor chamber inside to help keep things cool during gaming or heavy use. And yes, there's Ultra Game Mode for an optimized gaming experience. Battery-wise, this phone comes with a 5700 mAh battery and supports 44 watts fast charging. Honestly, even with heavy use, it'll easily last a full day. With light usage, you might even get 1.5 to 2 days. Camera, surprisingly good. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the camera. You get 4K video recording from both the front and rear cameras, which is super rare at this price point. The main rear camera is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with OIS, and yes, it's the lower one on the module. The top one, just a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Honestly, doesn't add much. On the front, you get a 32-megapixel selfie camera, also capable of 4K recording. You also get portrait modes with 3 different focal lengths, 1x, 1.5s, and 2x for more natural portrait shots. There's super night mode and even aura light, a soft ring light effect that really helps in low light. You're seeing some sample shots and videos on screen right now, all taken directly from the Z10R. Of course, AI plays a big role too. There's AI Erase 2.0 to remove distractions, AI photo enhancement, and more built into the camera system. In terms of software, the phone runs FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15 and offers a bunch of AI features like AI note assistance, circle to search, AI screen translation, AI voice recording, transcription. iQOO is also promising 2 major Android updates and 3 years of security patches. Another impressive part, the phone comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings, dust and water resistance, military-grade shock resistance, SGS 5-star drop resistance certification. Yes, it's actually built to take a few hits. Plus, it also has a 60-month smooth performance certification, basically a guarantee that the phone will stay smooth for up to 5 years. Pricing. Now let's talk about pricing, and it's surprisingly aggressive. 8GB plus 128GB, $14,999 after offers. 8GB plus 256 GBs, $14,999. Yes, same price with some bank launch offers. 12GB plus 256 GB, $21,499. Outrow. Final thoughts. So guys, there you have it. If you're looking for a complete package under $20,000 with solid design, great display, surprisingly good cameras, reliable performance, AI features, and battery that lasts, then the iQOO Z10R is honestly a fantastic pick. I think iQOO has been doing great across all price segments this year, whether it's the Neo series, their flagship line, or the Z series like this one. There's something for everyone. This phone could be perfect for students or anyone looking for an all-rounder with long endurance and premium feel on a budget. Only downside? It might feel a little slippery, but that matte finish really makes up for it. So what do you think about the iQOO Z10R? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Jai Hind.